Ever sat through a movie where the family gathers for reading of the will and someone storms out after being written out entirely? Spoiler alert, real life estate planning is far less dramatic, but it is where generational wealth is won or lost. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on wills and trusts so you can decide which, if either, is best for your plan. Hi, I'm Tim Gardner, founder of Chatham Wealth Management. This is episode 2 of a 4-part estate planning mini-series. If you missed episode 1, Estate Planning Essentials, I'll link the video for you. Make sure to binge watch the series in order. If you find this useful, subscribe so you don't miss episode 3, where we'll tackle powers of attorney and healthcare directives. Your future self will thank you very much for it. What exactly is a will? A will is a legally enforceable instruction manual that kicks in only after you die. Names who gets what, selects a guardian for minor children, and appoints an executor to carry out your wishes. It's inexpensive, easy to update, and contrary to Hollywood, most wills are only about 4 to 6 pages, not some leather-bound tome. There are some key limits. Probate court oversees the process, which can be public, time-consuming, and potentially costly. It governs assets in your name only. Anything with a beneficiary designation, like your IRAs, bypasses the will entirely. A trust, on the other hand, is a legal entity which holds assets for the benefit of your chosen heirs. Think of it as a box. You, the grantor, decides what goes inside the box. You set the rules and appoint a trustee to enforce those rules. Why people use trust? Probate avoidance. Assets pass privately and often faster than with a will. You have control even from the grave. You can stagger distributions, say college tuition at 18 or a home down payment at 30. There's some protection involved where it shields inheritances from creditors, divorcing spouses, or spendthrift heirs. There are some state-specific perks. In high-cost probate states, thinking of you, California, a revocable living trust can save real money and time. Keep in mind, folks, the concepts we're covering are for educational purposes only. They do not constitute individualized legal or financial advice. Estate laws vary by state, and every family situation is unique. Before taking action, always consult with your attorney or trusted financial professional. Will or trust? Which one fits your situation? Really depends. Use this 3-question speed test if you're not sure. What are the complexity of your wishes? Simple distributions, no minor kids, few assets? A will may suffice for you. Want to delay or control the distributions? Lean towards a trust. Asset footprint and privacy concerns? If you own property in multiple states or value your privacy, a revocable living trust can cut through the multi-state probate process and keep the details out of the public court records. Cost versus benefit. Drafting a revocable trust may cost you between $2,000 and $5,000 up front, compared to a few $100s for a will. Over time, however, probate fees, delays, and potential contests may significantly outweigh that difference. Do the math with a professional. Don't do that on your own. Here's a pro tip for you. Don't always choose one or the other. Many clients have both. A pour-over will captures straggler assets, while the trust does the heavy lifting for them. Before we're done, here are a couple action steps for you. Inventory your assets. Know what you own and how each item is titled. Check your beneficiaries. They often override wills and trusts, and sometimes they do conflict. Consult the pros. Coordinate with your attorney, your tax professional, and your financial advisor, so the left hand knows what the right hand is doing. Wills and trusts are not rivals, they're tools. The right one depends upon your goals, family dynamics, and the cost of a mistake. If you'd like a second opinion on your estate plan, or don't have one yet, schedule a time to talk. There's a link to my calendar over in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss episode 3 on healthcare directives. See you then.